Hi, I'm Cade,
And I'm Bobby.
and welcome to the Newstead Group's Explainer series.
Okay, Cade, I have a feeling you might have a preference here, but let's discuss the difference in the process with a bank or broker.
Broker.
Knew it.
Yeah.
But what can you tell me?
Sure. So, bankers and brokers, two very different factors. So, when you're shopping around for do I go directly through to the bank or through to a broker, the funny thing is that the broker can generally just give you what the banker is going to provide you with anyway, if that works out to be the strongest solution for you. So I think the three things it comes down to is person, product, and timeline. When I say person, I mean, who do you align with the most? If you go into a bank and you meet with a banker, have a chat with them. They might be the most amazing person you've met, and you might get along with them great. Go see the brokers as well. They might be amazing as well. But then also, once you've aligned yourself to who feels right for you, then you can also look at products. This is probably one of the biggest reasons why people decide to use brokers. It's because the bank is limited to their product. You're not going to go into bank A and then go, oh, actually, you'd be better off with bank B. It doesn't happen. Bank A is going to try and work everything they can do to work their magic to make you feel like that's the right product for you. But the thing is that there's a lot of banks. There's bank A to Z times 3. So when you're shopping around for what's right for you, a broker is less limited in their advice in the sense that they've got bank A, they've got bank B, they've probably got another bank Z times 3, where we can recommend a different bank that might be a little bit more suitable for you. And then you're mostly working with your broker, not actually working with the bank as much, which means that if you align with your broker and the product aligns with your requirements, you're in a really good spot. And the third thing is timeline. If you go to a bank, it might take you a little bit longer. They do work very differently. They work generally 9 to 5. With us as brokers, we do work sometimes a bit later. We can navigate around your requirements. The amount of times that I've done verification identity or consult on a Saturday is more than I'd like to admit. But I guess just from our perspective, yes, we are a little bit more adaptable. That doesn't mean that the bank's the wrong decision. You just need to know what you align to the most.
I suppose, really zoomed out picture, bank or broker, end product, you purchase a property.
Yep.
Same outcome. It's just the finer details that can make that a lot more enjoyable, a lot more suitable to your unique position, and just set up a better opportunity or better chance for a strong long-term relationship.
Well, I've had a lot of my clients for almost 10 years, and that's amazing. And then when I look at from a banking perspective, bankers might only stay in that role for only a certain period of time because they don't always work for themselves or they're not a partner in that bank. It works differently for boutiques. So I guess just from my perspective, and I am very biased, but I guess I like to create relationships. And I sometimes struggle with that when I go visit my bank, not just for, I don't use banks for lending needs. I do get to self-lodge, but when I go to the bank just for customer service, I find that usually I'm speaking to somebody different. And that can be a bit of a struggle for me.
Of course.
Because that person doesn't know my story or my requirements. And
Yeah.
it's important to have that in mind.
Okay, fantastic.